So if you're like me and you just got yourself a nice pretty Yeti Roadie cooler, once you get it, you figure out that there's no real way to secure this thing down to leave the cooler unattended for long periods of times. Aside from these kind of webbing pass-throughs on the side here, which aren't really secure. So I was wondering how I could actually add a locking system to the cooler in order to just secure it while I'm out and about. So if you want to know how I did it, just stick around. All right, so just to make things clear here, any locking system that you will actually add to the cooler won't be able to repel like a serious thief. So as we say, it's just actually to keep the honest people from stealing your stuff. So first thing, I did not want to drill some holes in the plastic to avoid the warranty or affect the performance of the cooler itself. So I was looking for like an existing attachment screw, and on the side you do have those kind of plastic pieces that hold the shoulder strap, that are held in place by a middle screw that actually can be removed using a 5mm Allen wrench. So, and this screw is actually getting fastened inside an insert that is molded inside the plastic of the cooler, which is pretty sturdy too. After the shoulder strap attachment point is actually undone from the cooler, you'll notice that this thing gets kind of inserted on the side using like those plastic stopper bumps. The idea here is just to make like a very thin steel plate that can actually run in between the two bumps and just extends underneath the cooler with the kind of a D-ring attachment or just a chain link. So idea is just to use some like very simple like a plumbing strap and D-rings, like these, and plumbing strap like that, and just to actually just cut a short piece and just bend it over itself like that and attach it right here so it can actually follow the contour of the molded plastic and actually be kind of hidden underneath the shoulder strap attachment. So of course, as I said before, this actually has its limit. Any serious thief can break this or just find a way to work this around, but if this thing is locked down to your Jeep, truck, or camper trailer or whatever, it's just like one more thing to slow them down. There you have it. This is the final locking system installed and put back together. As you can see, there's nothing sticking out, so when you store it, it's going to be convenient. It won't be in the way when you push it down in your truck bed. And from there, you can use your own lock and have the lock and chain, and just secure your cooler to whatever fastening system you have on your truck bed or Jeep or trailer. And very simple build, just some all-round strapping, 3/4 inch, and D-ring or one of these chain links. Anything you have on hand. Make this cheap, couple bucks, might save you from getting your cooler stolen. All right, have a good one.